Get down on Evony, guys. So today, this is an Evony hack. So as you can see, I'm broke, but we can turn on unlimited gems. So I just turned it on, so let's see if the gems go up. So as you can see, I got 1,230 gems. So let's see what happens to our gems. Do they increase or do they stay the same? Woo. So as you can see, guys, no gems increase, but it might happen. So let's see, and bang, guys, look at that. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this onto your device so you can get free gems. So let's get into the tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So this is super cool, guys. So just go over to tweakmod.com and type Evony, and then as you can see, it came up, so press install. So before it downloads, it's going to be a verification. This is the last step. You just have to download 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% free. And this should install it into your device. So I'll see you later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel and everything if you like Evony, because this actually works, guys, so it's super cool. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, if you play it, you'd be very excited about this opportunity to get an Evony mod. So as you can see, guys, it's loading right here. So we just need to download 2 apps from the list. So as you can see, it says missing files. So you just pick 2 of them. So like Family Island says reach level 11. So I could do that. You know, I don't know, bro. Scanner. Gotta search something up. So yeah, just do a couple of them. I'll see you later, but that's how I get it for your device. So this is super cool, guys. Totally works. If this video works to you, definitely share it. Tell your friends about it. It's really nice for gamers and broke people alike. So it's so cool. So I'm going to see you guys later, and peace out, bro. This is super epic.